Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Asitis L Arg-easy method. Begin by measuring your starting dose precisely, such as 2 to 3 grams, and take it morning or pre-workout. Stay consistent and track how you feel each day. If you notice mild digestive effects, split the dose into 2 smaller servings. Always combine with adequate water and a balanced diet to support results and comfort. For dosing, start low and increase gradually, watching for effects and tolerance. Try 5 grams in the morning and another 5 grams before training if needed. Keep a simple log noting dose, time, and how you feel to refine timing. If you plan to use higher amounts, consult a healthcare professional to avoid interactions or contraindications. Prioritize consistency over occasional large doses for best outcome. Timing matters. Take Asitis L Arginine roughly 30 to 60 minutes before exercise or on an empty stomach for faster uptake. If you experience headaches or stomach upset, try splitting the dose or taking with a small snack. Never mix with nitrates or certain blood pressure drugs without medical clearance. Watch blood pressure and overall response and pause use if you notice alarming symptoms while seeking professional advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.